Get your home summer ready with the October 2023 issue of SA Homeowner magazine. This month we share features on the latest summer interior looks, outdoor kitchens, fans and air conditioners, as well as our must-have suppliers guide. Interested in combining the pleasures of cooking and entertaining al fresco? Learn about the joys of having an outdoor kitchen on page 150. Looking at getting your pool ready for the season? Discover pool care basics on page 156. The October issue features 54 pages of luxury homes, including a farm-style home for a relaxed family lifestyle. There's also a not-to-be-missed subscription offer and an opportunity to revitalize and repair your skin with a luxury serum and cream sample bagged with select copies. Immerse yourself in inspirational spaces, the latest summer looks, and so much more in the 192-page October issue of SA Homeowner. Buy your copy of SA Homeowner now for only R42.90. Informed, innovative, inspired. Welcome home.